Edo Command of the National Drug Laws Enforcement Agency (NDLEA) don arrest 30 suspected drug lords wey dey related to the increase of the use of illegal drugs for the state. Ondutimi Bebetu, wey be the assistant commander in charge of the operation, yarn tori pipo dis one on Wednesday 26, 2023 for Benin City. Bebetu court tok say the raid na fall out of the state security meeting wey dem get on July 21, 2023, wey dem talk about different matter, especially the court kilikili for the state. E come still tok say dem arrest di suspect for one raid of different illegal drug and drinking joints for di state by anti-drug agency, and say di suspect na 15 men and 15 women.
Why we are calling this parade is because of the fallout that happened in the government house, State Security Council, on the 21st of this month, where they had a meeting with State Security Council members and various issues were discussed. But the most trending issue that was got was this cultism thing in the state. When you go to a raid joint, you go to raid joints where drug dealers or drug dealings is being perpetrated, you see a lot of things. In hotels, in drinking joints, you see all manner of people in hotels where they harbor themselves and to do whatever they want to do. Prostitution is also one of those aspects that is causing problem in the state. It is alleged that they are also using drugs. So hotels were raided, drug joints were also raided, and that's the result of this we are seeing here. So the number of suspects that we have here are 30 of them in the ratio of 15 to 15, 15 males, 15 females. Of course, you may say, why so? It's just a coincidence. Sometimes it's all males, sometimes it's all females. And any moment from now, investigation is still ongoing for the suspects and their exhibits. Now, what we do is, there are two categories of investigation that we do: the dealers aspect and then the users aspect. If there is any one of them found wanting as a dealer, of course, that person is going to court. We'll prosecute that person in the court of law. And those people that are using it as the first-time users, or they are using it to hide themselves, or they are using it as a social drug, well, of course, we'll look at them in the investigation report and give them counseling. And I think that's what we'll do. We are still trying to sort out the persons that owns them and then count them. You can see behind me, there are tramadol tablets behind us, and there are so many. And what we'll do, we don't just give a figure like that until we get the complete figure before we give out to the press. So investigation is still ongoing as to how many pieces of tramadol that was seized or mopped up from the society. Cannabis is there. There is marijuana, dried weeds or wet ones are discovered from them.
The assistant commander come tok say dem discover say member of cult groups dey take these hard drugs to take get mind, so they kill themselves and also disturb the peace of the society. That na why Edo State government join body with the state security and other sister agency to clean the society of this hard drug. E come still tok say the effect of the raid exercise wey dem do between Monday, July 24th and Tuesday, 25th, 2023, na result to the arrest of suspects with the exhibit.
The government is disturbed that these cultists are using what God knows to give themselves the courage, the boost to kill themselves, to cause mayhem, to destroy the peace of the society. And so at the end of the day, it was discovered that suspiciously they are under the influence of hard drugs. And so the government now decided that the state security outfits, the sister agencies, should join hands together and mop the society of this drug use. And this is the effect of what you are saying. We've just done out 2 days exercise. That's the result you see behind me with the suspects and their exhibits. For the number of suspects we have, these arrests or these raids were carried out in the Ihama road axis and the Control Room road axis of the metropolis of Edo State. And these people, most of them are sex workers, others are users of this cannabis. So what the agency will intend to do is, those sex workers, of course, they are not within our mandate. And since we are working in synergy with the other sister agencies, we are going to transfer them to NAPTIP for further counseling.
From Benin City, Averuswagene Ejo, TMC TV News.